This is Chris Kelly with just a simple tutorial on our Model Fit workout logging chart. Now, in Model Fit with our strength training, we're generally going to have two workouts. We have a workout A and a workout B for our strength training. All right, and it's laid out pretty simply. For each workout, we're going to have 3 strength circuits, all right, consisting of anywhere from 2 to 4 exercises. What we do with each exercise is simply perform circuit 1, for the allotted sets and reps. So we might say perform each exercise back to back 3 times for 8 reps. Then we move on to circuit 2, same idea, and finally we do some sort of conditioning activity. Now what we want to do to log progress, okay, is we're going to just write in each exercise in the boxes under circuit 1. So if we had a push-up, we would just write in push-up. Alright, and then we're going to write in our progress under sets. We're going to put the date above, and this is a weekly workout chart, so you might put 4 in a notebook for that month. But for each set, we're just going to log the number of reps that we were able to perform. So say 5, and then the weight 25 pounds lbs. Now sometimes with a push-up, this might be a situation where you start with your hands on a box, you move to the floor, and then you put your feet up on a box to make it harder. In that case, you would just use something to help you to note that. So you might write 5 step, 5 floor, 5 feet elevated, and we just go on with each one. And really for strength training, that's how we do it. For core exercises, say you have a plank for exercise 3 here. We would just write the number of seconds that you were able to hold it without compensation. So we would say like 30 seconds, maybe 40 seconds, etc. And that way that's going to allow us to see that once we hit 60 seconds, we'll give you videos on how to progress in some way, but that's what we want. Now with our, and it's the same idea for circuit 2, just really stick to the rep range that you're given in your workout chart. So if it says 3 to 6, and you do more than 6, it's time to move up in the weight or in the difficulty of some kind. If you can't do 3, then you simply move down. And it's just like that. We're always going to give you rep ranges where we say, anywhere from 3 to 5 reps, anywhere from 8 to 12 reps for each exercise. Now conditioning is just a little bit different in the sense that the way we kind of structure this is twofold. We're either going to do interval training, in which we're going to do one exercise for 30 seconds and count the reps, or we're going to do a workout for time, meaning like we give you 3 exercises performed for 10 reps each, then you perform them each for 9 reps each, then you perform the circuit for 8 reps each, and that's what is called a countdown, in which we count from 10 to 1 by 1. What we would do in that case is simply record the time that it took to get done. So I'd set a clock and say, okay, 8 minutes, it took me to get done, stop it. And that way, I can look back in maybe week 2 or 3 and say, okay, in week 1 I got 8 minutes. Now I want to beat that in some way. So I want to get maybe 7 minutes or 6 minutes. That way that tells us that you're in better shape because you've packed more work into the same amount of time, or less time because you got it done faster. So that's really the way it works with both circuits. The key to getting better, the key to improving, is to use your log to see improvement, meaning we add weight through each cycle, we add reps, we get stronger, and we can document those things so you can see what you need to do from workout to workout to be successful. Alright, simply date it for each workout, put it in a 3-ring binder or in a notebook of some kind, keep track, and that's how we log.